Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 4, Science 10, Term 1, Week 10, Evidence and Applications of Natural Selection. Objectives: describe how natural selection explains changes in populations over time. O collaborate with group members in analyzing an authentic case of natural selection. Demonstrate responsible appreciation of how scientific ideas explain life and biodiversity. For motivational activities, Evolution News Flash. The teacher reads 3 short science news flash statements. Learners identify whether each statement shows variation, selection, or adaptation. Yan. Some bacteria survive medicine because they have resistance. Ano kaya dun? Okay, that is adaptation or selection. Some moths are light colored while others are dark colored. Okay, that is variation. Birds with stronger beaks survive better when only hard seeds are available. Okay, that is selection. Okay, scenario, the city moth. In a city, there are light-colored and dark-colored moths. Before factories were built, tree trunks were light because they were covered with pale lichens. Light-colored moths were harder for birds to see. After many years of smoke and pollution, the tree trunks became darker. Workers could now see the light-colored moth more easily, while dark-colored moth became harder to see. Over time, more dark-colored moths survive and reproduce. Okay, guide questions. What variation existed in the moth population? Okay, that is some moths were light-colored while others were dark-colored. What environmental change happened? Okay, the pollution darkened the tree trunks. Which moth survives better after the trees became darker? Okay, the dark-colored moth survived better. Why did dark-colored moths increase in number? Okay, they were better camouflage, so they were less likely to be eaten and more likely to reproduce. So, yung camouflage yung nagagaya nila yung color ng environment. How does the scenario show natural selection? Okay, the environment favored smooth with a helpful trait, causing that trait to become more common over time. Okay, for discussion, natural selection can be observed when environmental conditions affect which organisms survive and reproduce. It begins with variation. Without variation, all organisms in a population would respond to environmental pressure in the same way. In the moth scenario, both light and dark moths already existed. Then, the environment changed when pollution darkened the trees. This change affected survival. Light moth became easier to see, while dark moth became harder for predators to find. Since more dark moth survived, they had more chances to reproduce and pass on their traits. This example shows that natural selection does not create a needed trait immediately. Instead, it acts on existing variation. If a helpful trait is heritable, it may become more common in future generations. Natural selection is important because it explains how populations become better suited to their environments. It also helps explain biodiversity, adaptation, and the relationship among living things. Okay, discussion highlights natural selection begins with variation. Environmental changes can affect survival. Traits that help organisms survive may become more common. Natural selection acts on existing traits. And evolutionary change happens in populations across generations. Okay, this is the natural selection case board. Okay, each group will create a simple case boards that explains one natural selection case. Groups may choose one of the following: birds with different beaks shapes during drought, insects with camouflage in a garden, bacteria developing resistance, frogs adapting to different pond environments, and moths changing in number after pollution. Okay, the required parts of the case board. Okay, we have the population, what organism is involved, variation, what differences exist among individuals, environmental pressure, what challenge affects survival, the selected trait, which trait helps survival, and then result over time, what happens after many generations, and science explanation, how does this show natural selection. Instruction: choose one case from list, assign group roles: reader, writer, illustrator, reporter, and timekeeper. Create a case board on paper. Use drawings, arrows, short phrases, and labels. Prepare a 1-minute explanation for the class and avoid writing long paragraphs. Focus on clear scientific ideas. Okay, will be the rubric. Okay, for exit reflection, learners complete the following prompts. Natural selection explains biodiversity because blank. A trait becomes common in population when blank. One important lesson from this topic is blank.